The Air Jordan Legacy 312 Low CNY is a special edition sneaker inspired by Lunar New Year traditions, blending bold design with refined elegance. It features a soft ivory and pale brown colorway that delivers a calm yet premium look. The upper combines cream leather with brown suede, creating visible depth and texture, while the layered construction gives the shoe a three-dimensional feel. A split-tone midsole in ivory and deep reddish brown adds subtle contrast, paired with a durable, patterned outsole for everyday wear. Bright red laces bring a festive pop, symbolizing good fortune, while gold Jordan brand details on the tongue and heel elevate the overall aesthetic. Perforations on the toe enhance breathability, and the engraved midfoot strap adds both function and style. Drawing inspiration from classic Jordan models, this release connects Jordan brand heritage with modern streetwear appeal. More than just a basketball shoe, the Legacy 312 Low CNY stands out as a statement sneaker designed for daily wear, culture, and timeless style.